Today topic is how to install Git in your Windows. For that, firstly open your browser. Let's say Google Chrome or Edge, any one of them. Just type google.com and search for Git. We'll go for Git download. Okay, and go to the official website always. Okay, just click it here, then click on the download link. And based on your operating system, it's an Windows. If it is a Mac, you can click. If it is an Linux, okay. Now my system is in Windows. Click here to download the latest version of Git for Windows. Okay, this is the most recent maintained build. Okay, just click it. Okay, it's downloaded. Go to the download location. First cut this and keep it into DevTools apps. Okay, then follow the installation steps. Right click on Git, run as administrator. Click on Yes. Okay, this is Git license. Next. Guys, here one thing. Keep the default settings always unless you know what you want. Okay. Now choose your installation folder where your Git installation. I'm just going with the defaults. If you want any additional, let's say on the desktop, you can click it. Otherwise, next, then next, then next, then this is the thing, guys. Adjusting the name of the initial branch in the new repository. You want master or you want main. Okay, let Git decide. Next, next, next. This one again. Check out Windows style. Next, next. Fast forward or merge. Next, Git credential manager. Next, keep it as it is. This will take few seconds, guys. Just wait. Yeah, don't cancel it, guys. Let it finish. So far we just clicked next, next, next. We have to click until you reach finish button. Okay. Okay, guys. Now finish button. If you want, you can check this. It will launch the Git bash. Okay. That means we installed Git successfully. And before using Git, my recommendation, just click on learn and scroll it down. There is a cheat sheet. Click here and you can go through the basic commands, basic Git commands. Getting started, Git init, prepare to commit, Git add, delete the file, unstage, make commits, Git commit, move between branches, list of branches, delete a branch. Okay, so diff commits. Okay, you can go through these basic commands. Okay, git reset. Okay, there are many things you can go through it. Okay, finally, how to test my Git just type git. That means git is successfully installed. Let me check the version, git hyphen hyphen version. Okay, so we have installed git version 2.53.0. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you.
ఇలాంటి టెక్ టిప్స్, ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ అండ్ ట్యుటోరియల్ కోసం టెక్వికాను ఫాలో చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేసి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.